All right, hey, what's up guys? It's Roy here, and I have the Caseology Vault Series case here in front of you for my Samsung Galaxy S21 Fan Edition. Now I picked this up on Amazon with Prime shipping for $13.99. As of today of dropping this video, there is an instant 5% off coupon that you can apply if you are looking to save a few bucks. I will link it down in my description, so if you do want to follow my affiliate links, I really appreciate it. It would support my channel. Now, as far as taking a peek here at the actual packaging, if you've ever bought a Caseology case recently, this is what you're getting. So you have the Caseology branding there, a picture of the phone inside of the case, and of course it does say S21 Fan Edition 5G Caseology Vault. The color is matte black, and then basically just the boring mumbo jumbo on the back. So I've already taken the case out, so here is the actual case. But let's focus on the inside real quick. So as you can see here, you have that kind of spiral, just crazy little pattern there that the phone's going up against. It does say Caseology Vault Series for Samsung, Caseology in Irvine, California, made in South Korea. And then there is a Caseology little logo there and there. Now in the corners here, I don't know if the video is going to do it justice, but they're these little bumper, little cushions there. It's kind of like the air cushion technology in the speaking cases, which they're one and the same obviously, but definitely gonna help with drop protection. And this is what's going up against the phone. So this is what it looks like, very similar to the Spigen kind of like spiderweb pattern. So let's go ahead and get the Graphite S21 Fan Edition here and slap it in. So let me go ahead and just kind of put it in here, and voila, and there it is. So there is the case installed on the phone. So as you can see here, like the other Vault Series cases, you have kind of this two-toned pattern, right? So you have like that ridged material there that does go in this kind of diagonal pattern. You do have a more of like a pill-shaped style that's kind of squared off a little bit as far as where the cutout goes around the actual camera bump. And then you do have that circular cutout there for the actual flash. And as you can see here, you do have some lens protection there. So it is definitely going to help with, you know, lens protection if you put it back down or if you drop it. And as you can see there, that flash is definitely dropped in there as well. But it reminds me a lot of like the old school Pixel cases, right? It had that kind of two-tone styling there. Now on the back, it is this really nice texturized matte material. Feels really good in the hands. You do have a Caseology logo there. And then let's take a peek here at the sides. So on the sides here, it does have this matte finish material as well. It's a little bit different, as you can see that texture here, and then it goes to a more smoother matte finish here. But that doesn't mean it's not grippy. It does feel good as well. You do have your power button and your volume up and down buttons here. They are raised, as you can tell, so definitely going to be able to find them pretty easily if you're looking for them. And then as we go down to the bottom here, as you can see, you have a nice little cutout there for your port and your mic, and then of course your speakers there. On this side, there is nothing except you do have your Caseology branding right there, as you can see. And then going up here to the top, as you can see, we do just have a single little hole punch cut out there for the mic up top. Now on the front of the phone, as you can see, we do have some raised lips that are covering the screen. So you do have a nice even distribution of the lip around this screen. So you're definitely going to get some nice screen protection out of this if you do like to place it face down or if you drop it. And then here is a look at the actual kind of styling of it around the actual speaker grill here. So it is covering it, but there is that little tiny slit, as you can see there. But that's kind of the styling and the look there. That's kind of how it looks looking at it face on. So you can see that that raised lip is very generous around it. So it is very prominent. Very slim styling though, guys. It does feel really good in the hand. Definitely has a nice grip to it. So now let's go ahead and do the clicky button test. So let's start with that power button first. And volume up and down. All right, so definitely some very tactile, very responsive clicky buttons, so definitely passes that test. So next, let's go ahead and do that wobble test that I like to do, just to see for those folks that like to see that. The back is extremely flat, no shake, and the front is well. So definitely very flat, no shaking at all if you care about that. All right, next, so let's go ahead and grab the Qi wireless charger here and do the Qi wireless charging test and see how compatible it is. So I have my charger here, just go ahead and place it on there. And as you can see, it instantly recognizes that it is on a Qi wireless charger. So definitely no issues at all with wireless charging capabilities. Now, if you are someone that cares to use this like with a car mount of some sort, obviously there's no built-in magnets, so definitely you're gonna need one that kind of hugs the sides and cradles the phone if you do want to use this case in your car. But the overall just kind of grade of this case, guys, I love Caseology cases, just like I love Spigen cases. The Vault series is probably my go-to when it comes to Caseology. Don't get me wrong, I absolutely love all their other ones, but with this one, it's just a classic look. It looks very just professional and just very, I don't want to say plain, but with this kind of two-tone look here as far as the textures, it just looks really cool and simple, and I really, really enjoy this case. So definitely very slim profile, very lightweight, so definitely a plus for sure. So hit that like button, guys, if you like the video. If you love it, please subscribe and ring that notification bell for up-to-date content. So be safe, God bless, and we'll see you on the next one.